Jenna Ortega is an American actress. Ortega, the fourth of six siblings, was born on September 27, 2002 in Palm Desert, California. Her father, a former sheriff who works at a California District Attorney's office, is of Mexican descent, and her mother, who is of Mexican and Puerto Rican descent, works as an emergency room nurse. Ortega's maternal great-grandmother was an undocumented immigrant from Sinaloa, Mexico, and her maternal grandfather was from Puerto Rico. She wanted to act from the age of 6 and begged her mother to let her pursue a career for 3 years. Her mother attempted to distract her with other activities, including soccer and school. Ortega almost quit pursuing acting to participate in the former. Her mother later bought her a monologue book and posted a video of 9-year-old Ortega performing. A casting director watched the video and signed her to an agency. Ortega stated that she would like to be a private person and not discuss her romantic life publicly, believing that it distracts audiences from her work. She has described the concept of celebrities as absolutely ridiculous. In 2020, Ortega was named a brand ambassador for the cosmetics manufacturer Neutrogena and was the face of its My Quinceañera Journey campaign. Ortega began 2024 with a starring role in the drama Miller's Girl opposite Martin Freeman. 117, the film tells the story of Caro Sweet Ortega, a high schooler whose writing ability captures her teacher's interest, which leads to a complicated relationship between the two. She called her character the most complex character that I have ever played and described the material as risky since she thought it would provoke discussions on topics people may find disturbing. In March 2023, Ortega hosted an episode of NBC's sketch comedy series Saturday Night Live 97-98. Ortega reprised her role as Tara Carpenter in Scream 6. She said her character had more personality in the film than in the previous installment, in which she was screaming and crying the entire time. When creating Tara's personality, Ortega considered several of the character's traits, including her favorite color, fashion style, makeup, and sense of humor. In May 2021, Ortega was cast as Wednesday Addams in the Netflix comedy horror series Wednesday, which she called a new chapter in her career. She auditioned through a Zoom call with director Tim Burton, during which